I don't know I'm right person or not to talk about this topic, but people are asking for that. Then I was just decided that just go with the audience, right? Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, basically we're gonna talk about that how to manage stress. And you know what? In the whole conversation of that particular video, I just try to be much more practical and just please give you feedback that how much practical I am while I'm talking about this topic. See, so so before you're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. Right now let's begin. Actually, see, you know what I personally believe, अगर आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने जा रहे हो ना, तो अगर आप उसके जड़ को समझोगे ना, then you're gonna get a better cure of that particular problem, right? But if you are like आप ऊपर ऊपर ही उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हो, then maybe for some time you get cure of that, but not cure. मतलब आप कुछ समय के लिए आप तो उससे छुटकारा पा सकते हो, but not for the long term, right? So I just personally believe just go through the root of the problem and then try to solve it. So if we talk about stress, right? So just think about why stress comes. Think about, do introspection that why people are going to be, having a kind of stress. Then what I personally believe, and as I say that be practical in this particular video, I'm trying to much more practical. Why stress comes? Two things. I personally believe two things. Number one, the past experience that we have, and the second one is that future worries. Are you getting my point? Two things, a past experience and a future worries. अभी पास्ट में कुछ बुरा हुआ होता है जिसके लिए हम सोच सोच कर परेशान रहते हैं फ्यूचर के लिए, राइट? व्हाट इफ़ दैट पर्सन नो अबाउट दैट? एंड एक्चुअली इन एनी फील्ड, आइदर इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इन रिलेशनशिप, आइदर इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रेशर और डिप्रेशन, एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टफ फ्रॉम आवर कॉलेज और आवर फैमिली और एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, दीज टू थिंग्स मैटर. एक्चुअली these two things are the most you can say most important thing. Maybe there are a lot of stuff that causes a depression, pressure kind of stuff, but what I personally believe, these two things, that of past experiences, a bad or any kind of experiences, and the future worries. Let me tell you my personal example. A lot of times just I was thinking about that, यार what if अगर मैंने अपना बीटेक तो कंप्लीट कर लिया बट मेरे को अगर जॉब नहीं मिला तो, then how I can stand out in front of my family, because they believe that यार कि अभी मैं I'm the last one in my family who just gonna give a lot more, they have a lot more expectation from me, right? So what if I'm not gonna stand out there, right? I'm so sorry यार, fan off है तो ये थोड़ा सा disturbance आएगा, but just try to concentrate here. See, so for some time I get worries and then I just understand यार ये मैं क्यों worries और क्यों ये stress मेरे पे क्यों आ रहा है, या depression a little bit depression क्यों आ रहा है? Just because I'm worries about my future. What if I'm not getting any kind of job in future, right, after completion of my BTech? At the same time, if something will be happen bad stuff in my previous days, couple of days or couple of months or maybe couple of year, then I was also like a little bit stressed, यार क्या होगा, right? For the future. So these are the basic root cause that actually leads to a depress or a stress kind of stuff in any industry, in any field. I already told that. You know what, as our exams of 7th semester final exams will be conducted most of the time in, you can say that, June, but as per this COVID-19 our exams will be held in July. So the thing is that now nothing will be, I'm not studying about it, but I'm worried about like for some time यार पढ़ाई तो कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ, then how get, मैं अभी कैसे उसको एग्ज़ाम कैसे दूंगा, कैसे अच्छे मार्क्स लाऊंगा. then what I was doing actually, यार अब इसके लिए रूट कॉज मैंने समझा कि ये चीज़ है, अब इसको हम सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे. So what you can do, what is in your control that you can do with, and you can deal with that stress. If you have any kind of action label that you can do and you can deal with that, just do that and you'll be going to deal with that particular stuff. At the same time, एज ए टॉकिंग अबाउट माई एग्ज़ाम्स, सो यार मेरे को ये चीज़ पता चला कि अगर मैं अपना एग्ज़ाम्स मेरे को देने तो मेरे को पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना, तो ये मेरा एक्शन लेवल है दैट आई हैव टू टेक इट आउट एंड देन आई बी गोइंग टू गेट मे बी गुड काइंड ऑफ मार्क्स इन माई एग्जाम, राइट? सो दिस इज माई स्टफ. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई कैन से दैट worries kind of stuff, or little bit depression kind of stuff that I already told that what if I'm not getting job after completion my BTech. सो यार मैं उसको ना देख देख कर वरीज हूँ, इससे अच्छा ना वट एवर आई एम डूइंग जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑल माई एनर्जी ऑल माई स्टफ देयर वेर एवर आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग सो दैट आई कैन डू बेटर राइट नाउ other than or rather than the future planning and future kind of stuff. So these two things that I understand that basically create a depression or a stress kind of stuff inside the people, and if you are able to handle this, then that's great. And how you can handle, it's all about the self esteem that you have, that how much confident you are while you are just you can say dealing with you can say problem or stress kind of stuff. So if you have that level of confidence, let's be there यार, आने दो ना प्रॉब्लम को, डील करेंगे ना. एंड फॉर दैट यू नो व्हाट द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिकल वे, यार प्रिपेयर फॉर द बेस्ट, जो भी बेस्ट हो सकता है ना प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट, बट रेडी फॉर द वर्स्ट. खराब से खराब सिचुएशन भी हो जाना फिर भी आई विल बी देयर. So that one thing that you can do, I mean create a great kind of self-esteem. And how you can create, just prepare for the best, ready for the worst, and you're gonna handle all the stuff. So that's what I personally believe, and that you can do to manage or deal with your stress or depression kind of stuff. So it's like audience demanded topic, that's I made it, and that's it for as of now for that particular video. यार ये अब पसीना बहुत आ रहा है बट अभी तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. बट यार थैंक यू सो मच कि आप इस पे नहीं जा रहे हो, आप कंटेंट पे जा रहे हो. सो थैंक यू सो मच टू ईच एंड एवरीवन टू बी हियर. एंड एट लास्ट व्हाट आई कैन से दैट एज ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग एंड बी हैप्पी, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.